I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn relations and functions together, step by step. We build relations and functions from ordered pairs. We'll meet the Cartesian product, define a function precisely, and look at the common real functions you'll use throughout the year. The Cartesian product A cross B is the set of all ordered pairs, with first element from A and second from B. If A has m elements and B has n, the product has m times n pairs. A relation from A to B is just a subset of the Cartesian product, a chosen set of ordered pairs. The first elements form the domain, the second elements the range. A function is a special relation. Each input is paired with exactly one output. No element of the domain may map to two different values. That's the defining rule. Some functions appear everywhere. The identity returns the input unchanged, the constant always gives the same value, the modulus gives the size, and polynomials combine powers of x. For A equals 1, 2, and B equals 3, 4, the Cartesian product lists all four ordered pairs. As expected, 2 times 2 gives 4 pairs. To recap, the Cartesian product makes ordered pairs. A relation is a subset of it. A function gives exactly one output per input, and the standard real functions are worth knowing well. Well done! Great work! Keep learning with Vidya, and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.